Stop by and take a look at the 2018 CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental front and side impact crash test rating and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.